Alright, so go to Google and type in Python download, and the first one that comes out, which is this, download Python python.org. You click on Python 3.4.1. and wait for that to load, and this screen would come out. See Python about downloads, documentation. We don't need that. Well, what we need is an area right here that says Python 3.4.1 was released on May 18, 2014. We just go down just a bit, and you will now see on the page it says download, and click on that. Click on this. Please proceed to the download page for the download. Click on the download page. Wait for that to load, and the screen comes out. And these are just like particular things that developers should know, but in our case we don't need to know that. So we just go directly down to the page, and we should see this download stuff. We don't need that. Also, this is just telling us that it will work on a 64-bit machine, which is all our laptops are 64-bit right now. We go down, and we can have a choice on what to download, whether it's Mac or some other systems, but for us we will be choosing the second to the last, which is Windows x86-64 MSI installer. I hope you can see it, and that is for Windows. We just go and click on that. Alright, and what happens if you click on that, there would be a download at the bottom, and it's about 23.9 bytes, and you just wait for that to finish. In my case it's 30 seconds, and once it's done we are going to try and run it and see if it works. Alright, you can skip the video at maybe after 10 seconds when this is done, so you can see what I will do after this. Alright, mine is done. So I click on this one, and what I would do is, it has a show in folder. We click on that, or you can just go directly and click on this, but in my case I always wanted to go to show in folder so I know where it went to. So once you click that, this thing would come out. It's dialog. It's a folder that houses all of my downloads, but in that case we'll only be dealing with this. So this is what you should have: Python 3.4.1 AMD64. So you click on that. You click on that, and this one would come out. It's a run and cancel. You click on run, and this thing would come out. Now you have a choice on install for all users and install just for me, and you just choose install just for me. Click next, and in that case you have a Python 34. Now the thing is, this thing installs on wherever your computer is, but the problem in mine is my G is already full, so I need to make sure that if this thing would fit.